Okay, let's take a look at the homework problem. I've kind of set it up here because I know how many steps we're going to be taking. The problem asks us to go from miles to inches. I'm not even going to worry about numbers right now. So to get from miles to inches, we are going to need to go through a few steps. One way of getting from miles to inches would be to first convert everything to feet. And I know I want miles to go away, so I need miles to be on the bottom and on the top. That's how it's going to cancel out. Then to go from feet to inches, I'm going to need feet to cancel out with feet. So I need one on the bottom, one on top, and I'll need inches up here. So now I've got my units set up, and they should cancel out, but we'll do that in a second. Let's first make sure that each one of these is some form of the number 1, or else I'm actually changing the quantity, and I don't want to do that. I just want to change the units. So we have 5,280 feet in 1 mile, and we have 12 inches in 1 foot. Both of these are a form of the number 1 because the quantity on top is the same as the quantity on the bottom, just in different units. Let's go ahead and take a look at canceling. So we will go ahead and cancel miles, cancel with miles, feet cancels with feet, and the only thing we're left with is inches. So from a unit analysis standpoint, we're good to go. Let's go ahead and do the calculation now. We have 92960,000. I'm going to multiply across the top first, times 5,280 equals times 12 equals, and I end up with, before we go into scientific notation here, I end up with 588,994. I'm going to have to 588,9. We're going to have to go back and forth here. 99456 and 5 zeros. 5 inches between the earth and the sun. Now we'll put that in scientific notation when we're done, and it's ugly, so let me write it down here. 5, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's double check that. 588,994, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Okay, I'm good to go. The other thing we could have done, and I just want to lay it out there, that some people may have gone to yards first, and then from miles to yards, and then they may have converted from yards to feet, and then they may have converted from feet to inches. Let's just go ahead and show that this is also going to work. We have 1760 yards in a mile. We have 3 feet in 1 yard. We have 12 inches in 1 foot. We go back through the unit analysis, and we see that miles cancel with miles, yards cancel with yards, feet cancels with feet. We should be good to go. I think all those numbers look right. Let's go ahead and bring the calculator in. And let's do our clear this, and we have our 92960,123 times 1760 equals times 3 equals times 12, and we get exactly the same number. We should. So we get the same answer, and now the only reason I mentioned scientific notation is that sometimes we may want to take a number of this size, and we may want to kind of estimate what's going on here. We may want to say that our answer is approximately 5.89 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times 10 to the 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer could probably be that the distance between the Earth and the Sun is approximately 5.89 times 10 to the 12th inches. I hope this turned out to be easier than it may have looked at first. Email me with questions. Thanks.